Welcome our first students to our conversation lecture. It is about dreams, and at the beginning we are going to talk what is meant by dream and the types of dreams and its interpretation. And I've posted for you several questions about dreaming, which kind of dream you are dreaming, whether you can remember your dream or not. All these questions we are going to raise in our lecture. So be careful in taking this point into consideration. We have different kind of dreams, but the major types are three. We have the daydream, night dream, and prophetic dreams. Daydreams happens always at the morning or during the day, whereas night dream happen at the night, and sometimes you cannot control night dream. Of course, we cannot control night dream, but we can control daydream. And sometimes people remember their dreams and try to make a correlation between what they dream and what is happening in their life. Daily life. So dreams are a reflection of your life. What you experience in your life is going to be reflected in your dream. Some of your dream can be achieved and other cannot be achieved. So I will end my lecture hoping that you will achieve all your dream. Thank you for listening. Welcome our first student.